Help keep hands clean and prevent the spread of germs and disease with State's Soap Factory Pro automatic and manual dispensers. The Soap Factory Pro utilizes pre-filled, sealed 1,000 milliliter bags which include a self-contained pump, allowing for easy switch between foam or liquid product. It also uses cost and mess-saving leak-proof technology and can be used with your choice of any of State's hand care lines. Using Soap Factory Pro is simple. Just install the wall dispenser using the mounting hardware provided or the stand unit, insert the 1,000 milliliter bag of hand care product, close the lid, and press or place your hand under the dispenser. Plus, replacing the bag is easy and sanitary. Just remove the bag and replace. With a sleek, low-profile design and very durable ABS plastic, the Soap Factory Pro is perfect for restaurants, academic facilities, fitness centers, medical facilities, and much more. Let State take care of your hand cleaning and sanitizing needs with the Soap Factory Pro, another quality system from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.